Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which controller you have and preparing the PC. Plug a USB-C cable for wired play or turn on Bluetooth for wireless use. Make sure the cable supports data, not just charging. Once done, open Windows settings and go to Bluetooth devices. Put the switch controller in pairing mode so the PC can see it. This step gets the hardware talking, which is essential before any driver or mapping adjustments. Next, you install and configure the software layer that translates switch inputs to PC games. If you use Steam, enable controller support in Big Picture and add a non-Steam game if needed. Steam often auto-maps a Pro controller. For broader compatibility, install Better Joy or DS for Windows and only use Zadig to replace drivers when you need X input. Make sure to calibrate sticks and test buttons because correct mapping prevents drift and ensures games recognize it properly. Finish by testing the controller across several games and tools to confirm inputs register consistently. If you run into problems, remove the device from Windows Bluetooth paired list and repair, or reset the controller by holding the sync button briefly and reconnecting. Make sure firmware is current on the switch itself, and retry with a different USB cable or Bluetooth dongle if necessary. These steps resolve most issues, and if something still fails, check driver status and reinstall the mapping software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.